icTools is a machine tools, work holding, cutting tools, and measuring tools search application. It's different from internet search engines in that it's specific to the exact item needed. In other words, icTools doesn't provide links to other websites where your search continues, but rather the user specifies the exact item needed, and our databases return results of that criteria with the exact manufacturer's part numbers with some technical information related to the item. For example, I'll give you a quick peek at how this might work. Let's say that we're interested in a solid end mill. We can go to Cutting Tools, Milling Tools, End Mill Solid. And our search criteria screen comes up. And we can very quickly specify the type of end mill that we're interested in. Click Find It. And our database returns all of the end mills that match that search criteria. Now those particular settings came up with 521 items. That's a bit much. Let's get a little more specific. Let's say we're interested in cobalt, roughing, or the weld and shank. And instead, let's get specific on the diameter of the end mill and the flute length. Maybe we're only interested in end mills with more than 4 flutes, and it's got to be center cutting. Now when we click Find It, our search has been narrowed to 2. And we could look at these two and see that the only difference is the coding of the end mill. We've decided we like this one. We can add it to our toolbox, which means we've created a request for quote file that can be emailed to our favorite vendor for Niagara end mills. All of our searches and result screens work much the same way, and we have video tutorials for all. So I really encourage you to check out the tutorials so that you can make the most of your search experience. But make sure the first ones that you check out are those associated with the edit button. It's important that you set up your vendors and your manufacturers and your email settings. Welcome to icTools.